Hi, Assalamualaikum and welcome everyone. Today, I want to talk about some of the big ethical challenges that the tech industry is facing. Despite all the success and influence, we need to look at how industry can grow responsibly and keep the trust of society. So here are the key ethical concerns that we discover by researching two articles from Deloitte and Comty Connect. So basically, there are there is use of AI, autonomous technology, physical and mental health, data usage, lack of oversight and acceptance of responsibility, environmental sustainability, and last but not least, threats to truth or as known as misinformation and deepfakes. So first up, data usage. Privacy is actually a huge deal to us globally, leading to new laws to protect our data. So companies like Apple have stepped up with features like tracking transparency to give us more control over our info, as our consumer data has frequently breached and misused. So next, we have an environmental sustainability, where the tech company are challenged to do more for the environment by maintaining efficient waste management, energy use reduction, and water use management. And with their influence, they can drive big changes through initiatives like zero waste, circular economy principles, and better recycling efforts. And next one, uh, disinformation and defects or threats to truth are actually a big threats to public trust and stability. The tech companies are teaming up with the governments and law enforcement to fight this. Like, they are participating in the EU's code of practice on disinformation. Uh, and for the fifth one, we have the autonomous technology, where uh, autonomous tech like self-driving cars, robotic weapons, and drones are actually amazing for us, but it's actually come with ethical concerns. These technologies can malfunction and cause accidents, so responsible deployment and oversight are actually significant and crucial. And not only that, uh, the the ethical concern also involve a misuse of personal information, because personal info is our most precious asset. While data collection enhances online experiences and customer connections, the company use this data to understand our preference and monetize it. For instance, like a company like Facebook has been criticized by all users for selling user data for its profit. And the sixth one, lack of oversight and responsibility, where many company mix the third party and their own tech, which can create a confusion over who is responsible for data protection. Basically, everyone involved need to share responsibility, and a global governance has to play a role, because it is essential to prevent a fragmented policies. And in addition, use of AI is actually a great and powerful technology, but also it comes with an ethical challenges. Issues like facial recognition misuse, job displacement, privacy concerns, and bias in AI systems need a really careful handling. And uh, that was the last ethical concerns. Now, uh, here are the strategies for addressing those ethical issues. For example, the first one, holistic approach, where taking a holistic approach means considering ethics at every stage of business. Constant feedback and aligning with the company values help tackle ethical issues proactively. The second one, investment in ethics talent, where hiring ethics specialists can actually help companies go beyond just following rules. These experts bring fresh perspectives and can run education programs on ethics. And the third strategies, where comprehensive training and accountability is essential because of support ethical decision making with training for key people and set up oversight bodies like IT boards to guide the process. And the next one is the predictive measure and stakeholder engagement. By doing a thorough research at the start of the projects to foresee any potential issues, involve diverse groups, especially marginalized communities, in the decision making process. And the second last one, the tech companies must work together with the help of the neutral parties, which can create industry standards and best practices. This collective effort helps address common challenges. And the last strategies, which is they must be responsible for technology adoption because by adopting new technologies by adopting new technologies, they must protect our data privacy, respect everyone's rights, and build a culture of responsibility within the company. So to wrap up, the technology industry must adopt a holistic and responsible approach to tackle ethical challenges by integrating ethics into operations and investing in specialized talent, collaborating across the industry. Tech companies can build lasting trust and sustainability. This is actually a key not just for today, but for preventing future issues and making sure technology stays a positive force in our society. Thanks for listening. And that concludes our presentation from group 3.